My name is Joel Libert and I'm from Alberta, Canada. And I want to tell you 3 reasons I'm proud to be a Canadian. When I was a kid in school, during our assemblies, we'd sing the national anthem, and I'm proud that everyone stood up and everyone sang. I don't see that everywhere anymore, and I'm glad I grew up in a place that would do that. I'm proud to live in a country where we have opportunity of free expression. In that I mean, I run a YouTube channel, a horse training business. Obviously I'm a little eccentric, and I get that opportunity here, and I'm really grateful for that. Another thing I'm proud of is the beauty of this country. I've had the opportunity to go up into the mountains and spend lots of time exploring God's green earth and white earth. In this world of chaos, I give you a challenge. Comment below, tell me where you're from, tell me why you're proud of it, and then share this post so we can get positive vibes out into everything that's going on today, and we can get patriotism spread throughout Canada and throughout the world. Let's make a difference. Hip